Where are you sleeping?
The couch.
What's that?
What kind of kid bullies a sweet little girl about her dead dad?
Is Lena being bullied at school?
Someone kicked her. A couple of girls cornered her in a bathroom and told her that her dad was a criminal. This is just what the teachers tell me. And she won't talk to me. But I know she's having nightmares, and she wakes up every day. She says she's sick. She doesn't want to go to school. And what, I'm supposed to make her go? This shit is happening every day.
Are you getting any help with her?
I don't need help.